Good afternoon, Matthias. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
How are we?
Great, thank you. How are you?
Yeah. I went out for an hour's walk. Beautiful out there today.
It is
And
indeed.
my wardrobes are coming together. I'm getting some hanging space today. So just been in with the guys, just the final fit and everything else is going on now. So nice. Okay, so let's get to it. Day, still buying. Cancelled out yesterday virtually. Even the wicks are very, very close. But it's been up to 21-ish. So let's have a look at the hours, what we're doing. So New York just opened. So we're at a buying hour. Let's see what New York wants to do, where it wants to take it. So this is where we live at the 5 minutes of the 1 minute. So what we will be doing is in about 4 minutes, we'll be taking the first trade card. And if you've taken some already, then great. How's your trading been, Matthias?
It's great. I just trade on the morning on the session, and that's it. As you can see, if you do that every day, you can do only the sessions, and you don't need to keep chasing as well. But of course, if you really want to take profits, you need to be on the market. You cannot be out of it. Then it's completely your decision. It's up to you.
But it's your business, isn't it? So how many hours you put in is
what you get back.
Yeah, that's the results you're going to get, right? So
yeah.
And we talked about this, that if you've got a huge amount of capital, then you don't need to trade as often as if you've got a small amount of capital. Yeah. So it's all relative, isn't it? And if you need any guidance, then give me a shout. We're always here to help and assist. So once you've opened an account with our broker, once you're working and you need some help, yeah, great, no problem at all. We're happy for that. So 4208, 4209, 4220 she's been to. So we were talking during the break, if she captures 4240 going up, and if she starts coming down, then we could be in for a big drop. So that's the technical analysis of my better half on the walk, because that's all we talk about is gold. And where it's going and what it's doing. So going up nicely now in New York.
It is, yeah.
So let's see. Yeah. So it's been there around 11 o'clock, and it's had this little peak there at 12:05. So let's see what it does. I think there's a lot of incentive for gold to go up. The close. I think the Iran US deal is close. And I think we'll get a massive jump the day that's officially announced properly. That's if Trump doesn't keep buggering it up all the time. So 2 hours ago, Morgan Stanley. Gold's path hinges on ETF demand. It says it's bullish for 5,200 troy ounce gold price target for the second half of the year has become more challenging to achieve without a meaningful rebound in ETF inflows. While central bank gold buying may resume, rubbish. Don't need ETFs, never had them before. Central banks will start buying again as soon as the oil price comes down. And it's cheap. And individuals will start buying again. The Chinese and the Indians that actually buy gold and know what it's all about. What are your thoughts on prices?
We're refreshing again. I'm even don't think too much nowadays having the machine learning. I always stick with that,
Good idea.
Because it's always speculation,
Okay, so let's press that button in a few seconds.
As you can see, you'll be able to refresh again now. If you're pressing the button, it's a buy.
Yeah.
You have the range as a green candle. Let's wait for the best entry as possible. If it's changed the color now, could retrace a little bit. We want to be on the best position to take it, okay? As you can see, it's retracing. Wait for that candle, and you'll be able to get a better entry. As you can see, you need to see the probability on that trade, the first 3 on the top, and then the range to enter. Okay, as you can see, what's red there. We wait for that entry, then we go for it. We say strong buy. Enter without hesitation, but be mindful when we have a red candle. We're still on that range. If you press the button already, a stop loss should be in place. Remember the steps that when you press the button, you put your stop loss or your hard stop. Protect your capital.
Yeah, so it's a buy.
But it's still the red candle.
Be careful. Yeah, exactly.
What we do when we have a red candle, we wait for the best entry as possible. If it's a green candle straight away and the market is just flying, it's okay. But on that red candle, let's wait and use your hard stop if you enter on that one now, because it's going towards stop loss already. If you decide to enter that one now, you need to use your hard stop.
Yeah. For me, that's always down at 42.05.
Still a strong buy. Maybe we'll need to wait for the next one, but it's still a strong buy.
Definitely.
We have been entering today on the bottom of those ranges. As you can see, if you enter now, it will be only 15, 20 pips stop loss. It's a good point to enter now if you want to, okay? It's on the bottom of that range. It's more ranging for me on the 1 minute. If
wait for the green candle. Going, yeah, don't enter while it's red.
If it's still going down, you have your hard stop. As you can see, it's going up again. If you enter on the bottom of the range, stop loss at break even and take some profits. I will be doing that. If you have been waiting with me, you'll be absolutely fine. As you can see, we have been using the hard stop more often today and worked very well. As long as you take the profits and respect it. Don't keep moving your hard stop. It's neutral now on the 5 minutes. It's neutral. It's changing now, as you can see. if you're still on that trade, that will be your break even. Don't wait for the hard stop. You take some profits and it's still retracing, get out of it, okay? Stop loss at break even is the way to protect your capital. Because now that's gonna try to push and retrace back to 42.02 or even 42. If it's still dropping, could be a little bit more.
A couple of buys in from earlier. So about 170 pips on one, about 150 on the other, and about 70 or 80 on the third trade. When you are scalping properly, you can split your lot size into 2 or 3 and take 2 or 3 trades at different stages. I don't take partials, I just close the trade because I've usually split my lot into 2 or 3. So I'm layering my trades. It's a great way to, great skill to learn.
It's going up again after the drop. That's good to see. Let's see if we still have a buy later. Now it's neutral, but if you see the targets on neutral is a buy, it's still a buy, but we wait for a strong buy, okay? Neutral, we don't do anything. I can see some of those neutrals sometimes go to TP3, TP4, TP5. I don't mind. I keep neutral.
Yeah. Hey Raj, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you.
Hello, Raj.
So tracing on the 5 minutes. Let's see what the 1 minute's doing. Yeah, there you go. Sometimes it's easier to see what the market's doing on the 5. Sometimes it's easier to see it on the 1. So just alternate between the 2.
As you can see, it's forming that range on the top of between 42.04 and 42.11. If you keep on that range, it will be easy to make some more profits. It's still going up as well. It will be so easy. Let's see which direction.
1 more minute.
Yeah. Let's wait 40 seconds. We'll be able to refresh again. Let's go. Let's get ready. Okay, as you can see, still neutral. Still neutral. I will refresh on the 15 minutes as well. Okay, 50 minutes is a buy. On the 50 minutes is a buy. You have a good range. It's a If you refresh on the 15-minute standard, is a buy. On the 5 minutes, is still neutral. Okay. Can we have lost you? Your camera.
Here he is. So I was saying that, so it's New York, slight sell if on the hour. 5 minutes selling, 1 minute. Can't decide.
Let's see if you're still pushing. I think so. It's still a buy. Let's see.
My thoughts are that it's a buying market overall, but let's see.
The 15 minutes is still a buy. On the 5 minutes, we are just neutral, just waiting. Okay. If you want to use the 15 minutes now, in order to go for that one, if you refresh with me, you had that opportunity. You're going towards TP1 already. On that range, on the TPs. Let me see. 50 minutes. Yeah. It's slightly
nice
going.
Jump on that 1 minute there.
Yeah.
A bit of a drop now.
Yeah, it's not deciding yet which way we are going.
Yeah, New York can't decide. Arthur or Martha.
Another 1 minute, we'll be able to go again and refresh. Okay. That's the.
Yeah, I fear that we may not have a lot of direction from what the market's doing, even on the next one. Let's see what happens. And don't let frustration make you press a button when you don't want to.
Yeah. Be patient.
See these huge wicks there? One there. We'll go to fill that at some point. So that's the 20. And these are the 10s. Yeah, 15 even.
Getting ready. 20 seconds. It's still the same. It's still neutral.
Yeah, I thought so.
But I still think it's, yeah, that was TP2 on the neutral, but doesn't matter. We wait for the right entry points, okay? if you refresh before on the 15 minutes, that's TP1 for that 15 minutes. Okay, 10 was the TP1 for the 15 minutes. We'll be able to refresh again on the 15 in 10 minutes. Respect that as well, okay?
Yeah, 100%.
As you can see, the price just went straight away and retraces again. That's why it's important to wait for that strong buy or strong sell. Don't keep placing the trade on neutral.
Just trying to check the news if there's any headlines, Matthias, see what they're saying.
Yeah.
We obviously know the PM's decided to step down. Your trading's going well. Hopefully we get a trade card that the data that the system's showing gives us some direction. We've had a couple of neutrals.
It's just patience. We'll be able to refresh again. Just keep looking at it. Sometimes we have those neutrals, and then after that will come some strong entries, and the best entries. We need to wait for those entries. Okay, we need to wait for that direction confirmation.
Be doing the same height in this one in the corner.
Just give me 1 second. Excuse me, guys.
Yep. As you can see, another 1 minute, and we'll be able to go again. If you're taking that neutrals, you need to be very mindful and very fast, okay? I will not recommend to take the neutral entries. Sometimes can go to TP2, 3, 4, 5. I don't mind. I want to see a strong entry in order for me to go, okay? We get into the top of that range again. Let's see if it breaks. That's true, or will be retracing again. In order to do that, we will see if it's still a buy, and we'll be able to go for it. Another 30 seconds, we'll be able to see that. Get ready to refresh. I think so that neutral will be converting now in a buy. Just be mindful. You're on the top of that range. That can retraces as well. Let's get ready. Time to refresh. The neutral is a buy now. As you can see, the neutral is changed to a buy. We are on the top of that range. Be mindful of that. If it's red, we wait for the best entry.
So it's breaking out now, right?
Yeah, we got a buy, but
yeah,
of course, we are on the top of that range. red candle, just be mindful of that. So let's wait for that retracement before we place the trade. If it's on the range, keep looking on the range and then wait for the right candle and go for it.
I'm showing you the 5 minutes now. So it's aiming for these kind of levels. Maybe this one, 15, 14. Yeah, TP5's 42.21. So we have a bullish trend right now. Coming back to where it's been ranging all the time, so it's had a little spurt up. Being pulled back again. Not quite clear of that 4,200, I don't think.
No. I think so. It's still up. It's just a retracement. That's why we need to wait for those candles, the red candles, to disappear, and then we can go for it. If you're still going for it, we will need to use the strategy that we used before. Use your hard stop and wait for that retracement. Okay?
Comes back to where it's been. This is a game today. It's cat and mouse, isn't it?
It is, yeah. That is that button that we have been waiting for. If you place it, now you need to use your hard stop. Okay? If you didn't, just wait another 2 minutes, we'll be able to refresh again. But if you place it, use your hard stop. 10, 20, 30 pips stops. Remember, don't do more than that. Scalping, we are in and out. That is, in my opinion, is a great risk reward because we are on the very bottom of that range now. But as soon as you're in profit, take some profits as well. I will be doing that. I will be taking my profits. And as soon as I can, my stop loss will be at break even. Okay, moving my stop loss to break even now and taking some profits.
Nice one, Mateus.
Risk-free trading. If it goes up, I will take more profits. But you can see we have been using that strategy all morning and it's going very well. Okay, if we go to hard stop, at some point will be 10 to 30 pips. It depends on the patience that you had to wait for that retracement. And it's giving you more opportunities as well. If you really taking those, sometimes that can go 40,
Time
50,
to refresh. It's 30 minutes
6
past.
pips.
Buy. Not too strong.
You still buy, yeah?
5 minutes. Mm-hmm.
That's good. If you're still holding that, you can hold that, or you can wait for the best entry. Because it's retracing again, looks like. Yeah. The previous one, your stop loss should be already at break even. Now you're waiting for that best entry on that one. Or you can use the same strategy. If you see we still retracing, wait to get a better entry, okay? Wait is a red candle. I'm waiting to get a better entry on that one. If it's still retracing, I will be able to get a really good position. Dev, no, is not a sell. We got a buy on our machine learning. We're scalping, we are in and out. I'm getting on that point now. I put my hard stop, guys. I will get in on that point and I will put my hard stop.
Yeah. So the hours suddenly gone from buy to sell for New York. And we've seen this many, many times today. The hour changing color. Market has been very interesting to say the least, but it's got to the bottom of this, so didn't drop through. Let's see what happens, what it does.
As you can see, it's going up from my entry point. What I do, I don't wait for my hard stop. I move my stop loss to break even and take some profits. And if that goes up all the way to 10 or 11, I will be booking massive profits as well. That's the way, guys. If it's changing direction, we will see a sell at some point. That is the best way as well, because we have the machine learning doing the hard lift for us, giving us direction. If it's still a buy, we are in a great position now because we are at the very bottom of it. If it's a sell, we will get a sell at some point. We don't keep chasing, we book what we have, okay?
Yeah, price option. We trade the market that's in front of us.
I took some profits on that one already. My stop loss is at break even. As you see, that is the way to do. Wait for those retracements, and if it's still retracing, we wait, and then we use our hard stop instead to use the stop loss. As you can see, if it's retracing now, is at break even, is not your stop loss or hard stop anymore. And we'll be able to refresh again, and let's see if it's still a buy or it's changing for a sell. Refreshing, and it's a sell. As you can see on the 5 minutes, it's changing for a sell now, guys. That's the power of machine learning. We change in direction.
So every 5 minutes, we refresh, collects all the data. and gives us a probability of a buy, sell, or neutral. So if you have those, you know what the probability is, you know what the entry points are, you know what the live check is, what happened on the last 5-minute candle, your targets, your stops, your hard stop, best entry window, your times, everything. The whole thing's there for you. It's a great roadmap of how to trade. You're not guessing, you're not speculating, you're not feeling, none of that nonsense.
That's TP1. TP1 already, guys. It's moving towards TP2. Dev Rato was putting a sell before. As you can see, we do follow the machine learning. We do follow the trading cards. If it's a sell,
depends what your sell's based on, what information you're having. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, the time frame you're refreshing. We're refreshing now on the 5 minutes. We scalping. We are in and out. As you can see, it's moving towards TP2.
So the hour is covered both the candles for the last couple of hours. So bought, so cancelled all of that out. So London's last hour was buying. New York wants to sell. Nothing to say that won't turn around.
As soon as we are in profit, this we are using protecting ourselves. We're moving stop loss to break even, and of course, take the profits when the profit is there. Retracing now. Another 1 minute. I'll be able to refresh again and see if it's still a sell. That sell went down, came back to the entry point, nearby the entry point, and nearly went to TP2. If you're still there, you can keep holding. If you book some profits already and move your stop loss to break even, that's I have done. It's completely up to you. It's your power.
It's going back down to this range now. Yeah. See what it goes through. It pushes through. It bounces back again. So it's been pretty rangy since 11 o'clock, really. Been very, very range bound.
Still a sell.
Wow. Give me 5, Matthias.
Yeah, it's still a sell. Waiting for that range, a very narrow range now on that 5 minutes, as you can see. Very, very narrow, but still a sell. I'm in profit already. If it's still dropping, I will be able to take that TP1. Going towards TP1. Retracing back. Nearly TP1 is retracing back. Okay, let's be patient. It's still a strong sell. Coming back to the entry point and it's playing on that small range. You just need to break that in order to go to TP1. Patience is the key. Still dropping. It's going towards TP1 now. I'm moving my stop loss to break even and take some profits already. It's not officially TP1, but I'm taking that. TP1 now. TP1, guys. My stop loss is at break even. We're scalping, we are in and out, and we are making sure to take those profits. TP2 will be 42. TP2 for me will be 42. See if we retrace into that number now, to that area. As you can see, guys, if you're refreshing, we're selling again. It's still strong. It's still strong, as you can see. Straight away TP. I didn't take that one. Let's see if he's still dropping. That is TP1 for some of you already, guys. TP1 for some of you already. Going towards TP2 now.
A little drop there while I was where it is.
Yeah, we got some TPs there.
Yeah, good. That's what it's all about.
That's TP2. TP2 now, 4200. TP2. Let's see if it's a potential TP3. For now, we had TP2.
It's retraced. Yeah, it's retraced.
Yeah. We're still on the range. Another minute and a half, we'll be able to go again. Less than 1 minute, let's get ready. If you have your machine learning, it's time to get ready to refresh. Okay, have your trading view open, have your machine learning desktop version if you can, and then you just can see all the numbers and you can see the graphic very well, and you can go for it if it's the right direction and if it's strong enough as well. Okay. Ten seconds. I'm getting ready. A sell after another sell. Let's see if it's still a sell now. It's still a sell. TP1 done, guys. Straight away going towards TP2. Great number on the machine learning. You don't overthink red candle, go for it. TP1.
Let's see if it goes through that now.
Yeah, if it breaks that, it's a potential TP2 plus. We just need to break that. Yeah. TP2 going towards TP3 now. TP2 already again, guys. Please let me know you're booking that, you're taking that. Learn how to take the profits when the profits is there and protect yourself.
Okay, so you want to send Raj the link?
I'm sorry?
Keep you some company. Raj, you can use the same link as before.
Oh, yeah. Yes, Raj, if you check the message, it's the same link. We don't change the link, okay? For join as live, you can use the same link. I just share with you again.
So keep a hold of it. A steady decline. Some retracement in there, as there always is. That's solid. The hour will be really solid. Look, taking out the last 2 hours, maybe the last 3.
That's going towards TP3 now. TP2 already booked. Is going towards TP3 now.
Taking some profits off the table. Take some money.
Hello, Raj.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. How are you?
Fantastic. Thank you. And you?
You're on it.
Good, good. I thought I'd come on because I've got some time spare from work. So,
good.
Organization very well today.
Good. I'm going to go and see the builders. So you
Pardon?
keep Matteo's company for the next 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, I just wanted to share with people on something really more than anything else. And what that was is being very, very careful on what buttons you press, because I really had a near nasty accident on trading just literally 20 minutes ago, just before it was a sell, but it went to stop loss, and instead of putting 0.08, I put 0.8. And it very, very nearly. I mean, it won't say it wiped me out. It won't wipe me out. So, but I actually gained from it. So, but I just wanted to share with everyone. Just be very, very careful, because I know we press buy, sell. We've got the one click, and just have a look at before very, very quickly what we're pressing, because it's very, very dangerous. And obviously on the trading cards, and I've done this, and you're still doing. Just careful that when make sure you read if it's a buy, if it's a sell. I've done the mistake where it's a buy and I've clicked sell. So just wanted to share that with everyone. Just probably me, I don't know, but be very, very careful.
As soon as I had issues like that as well. It's normal, but as soon as you see you're making a mistake, it's a sell, a buy, or whatever, close that immediately. And if you're not over leveraging, you'll be absolutely fine, because then you have the time. You have the time to
100%. I nearly did, but yeah, it was crazy. But no, it's been a good day though. A very, very good day.
As you can see, we're going towards TP3 plus. On the another one is still a sell. It's still a sell. It's still a strong sell. You're on the range, and it's going towards TP1 straight away. That sell. and that will be TP3 on the previous one. If you're still holding the previous one, that will be TP3, and that one will be TP1. TP1 on the new one. How you find it, Raj? The difference, buys and sells, and when we have a strong trend, like now we have a strong sell.
So when we have a strong trend, it's absolutely amazing because you're in that flow. Yeah, you think yes, it's sell. But when the market obviously changes and it goes up, it changes direction. I'm finding it obviously still practicing. I'm still we'll use the word practice. Sorry, still learning, and I find it very difficult because I want to get to the stage where if it changes direction, I can buy and sell at the same time. I know, okay, and then I can maybe take a profit from there and see how it is. But there's a long way to go yet. But when it's on a flow, I'm a happy man. When it's different, I'm finding it slightly difficult.
It is difficult for everyone, I think. As you can see now, TP1, TP3 on the previous one, going towards, when you, like you said, when you have only sells, a strong trend is easier. I can feel that as well as TP2 now, TP4, and then you can keep holding as well those runners. If you have a small percentage of your trade on the top, you can hold that and make a huge profit. But I don't recommend you to hold buys and sells. Like, you don't need to, because with scalping is every 5 minutes you'll be able to refresh again. The thing you need to do is taking your profits, and if it's changing direction, is a strong direction, go for it.
Definitely, definitely. I really appreciate that, Matthias. Thank you.
Yeah, you don't need to confuse yourself. Make it simple, as simple as possible. As you can see, it's still dropping, and less than 2 minutes, and we will be able to go again. Refreshing, and it's the 2 hours. 2 o'clock now. 2 o'clock, 2 minutes for 2 o'clock. Remember, the change of hour, we always mindful.
Matthias, do you think you'll go down to the? Do we think it's going to go down to the threes?
I don't think so. It's still up, that market. We just need to be mindful. Like Cam was saying, is a lot of speculation on the markets. You can look on the time frame, daily time frame, and you can see straight away. On the daily, I still think that it's going up. 1 hour, we having those retracements can be 1 hour, 2 hours retracements, then it's still going up. But look, if it is going down, we have a strong sell, we keep selling. If it's going up, that is helping me using that machine learning, all the trading cards. I'm not guessing anymore. I'm not like worried about the direction, because I'm scalping. I want to be in and out. I don't. Sometimes it's good to have the direction, then you can hold some more trades. You can have those strong runners, but apart from that, okay, time to refresh again, guys. We're refreshing, it's still a sell. I'm refreshing to see on the 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is not showing nothing. Half an hour. Okay, the 5 minutes is still a sell. As you can see, on the 1 hour, we need to be mindful, especially if you're trading on the change of the hours, right? Try to use your hard stop. If it's a green candle like that, we wait for the retracement, okay? Especially on the hour. But if it's a green candle, get that habit. Wait for that green candle to do whatever needs to be done. Then you place your trade.
Sorry, Matthias, I've just had an emergency come through. So I'd really love to stay, but I've just had an emergency come through at work. So
don't worry.
Thanks for having me, guys. Really, really. Have a great afternoon.
You too. Bye.
Thanks.
As you can see, the sell is still strong on the 5 minutes. If you have a green candle, you wait for that, then you place your trade. When you place your trade, you put your hard stop. On that case, we put our hard stop, and we'll be able to take all those profits. It's going towards TP2 already from the top of that range, TP2. If you use your hard stop, you have been able to take that, even with your stop loss. That was TP2 from the top of that range. As you can see, very good profits here, very good profits. I really hope you booked those profits. As you can see, we're just using the machine learning together. I really want you to have that power to use by yourself and have that confidence. If you keep doing those lives with us, you'll be able to understand even more the strategies, and you will be able to keep booking those profits. And make sure you protect your capital. Capital preservation is the key, okay? Always when we are in a good profit, I tend to close some of my trades straight away on TP1 or nearby TP1. Then I book my profits there and protect myself with a break even.
How are you, sir?
Right, TP2 on that one.
Beautiful. Was it buy or sell?
A sell.
Okay.
Using the same strategy, waiting for that retracement and then place the trade.
Always.
As you can see, if the price is coming back now, should be at your break even, not stop loss, not hard stop, anything. If it retraces, because it's the hour, we need to be mindful of retracements on the hour or change of direction. And all the time, not only on the hour, but the hour you need to be especially aware. We can like kind of change and retraces. Sometimes the hour retraces 50% of the previous candle before it stay on the same direction. That means be really careful about those points as well.
So we've got a massive selling hour. There you go. And this could retrace you all the way back, or it could take it further. Nobody knows. It doesn't matter. Good talking points for us, but it doesn't matter. We don't care. We just follow the plan.
It's still a sell, as you can see. We're still selling.
So that's the hour, obviously, that I'm showing you. Let's go back to what we used to. 1 minute.
Okay.
And as Matthias says, it's selling.
TP1. You know what I'm doing now? I'm moving my stop loss to break even and make sure I have some profits already out of the table. It's going towards TP. TP2 straight away, guys. TP2.
So here's the bigger picture on the hour. Could go all the way back there and down to here. It's hitting these two now. So that's either to become support or resistance.
TP2 is going towards TP3. Let's see if we break that point now and go. TP3 for me is 89, 31. We're going towards there.
Beautiful drop.
Yep, TP3, guys.
Beautiful drop. Yeah.
That was TP3. Now it's retracing. Let's see if it goes. It's still dropping. My point of view is still dropping, but let's see. For now, my stop loss is at break even. I took some TPs out of the table and just waiting.
Yeah. If you're joining and you haven't subscribed, please do so. That's the only thing we ask you to do. Over 600 traders now follow the channel, so thank you very much for your support. And all we ask you to do is like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching on Facebook or LinkedIn or TikTok or anything other than YouTube, come across to YouTube because you'll see the whole library of videos. Lots of shorts there, motivational mindset stuff. It's a lot of value that we're creating. Obviously, we post 2 videos every single day, apart from Friday when we post 1. So there's a lot of content there to take you through what we're doing in terms of our machine learning trade cards. They're next level stuff. They're not like signals at all. Wonderful trading today. It was a bit slow this morning at times, but
yeah,
it's been lovely. Afternoon's been cracking. Probably this last half an hour or so. A lot of money to be made.
And it's like that. Sometimes you need to have the patience, and then at some point you break through and get all those profits.
Yeah.
If you have 5 minutes today, Can, to give some word of wisdom that you share with us all the time, that will be great.
Yeah.
If you have something to say.
Anything in particular you want me to talk about? Anything you think I need to address?
I think so. Mindset is great. I think so. Trading. Just refreshing. Just 1 sec. It's still a sell. It's still a sell. Very strong sell. But trading is about mindset, and I think so. If you can talk a little bit of the right mindset in order to trade as well, that will help.
Yeah, sure. I'll give you a few minutes on that.
Green candle is selling, is strong. We're still going towards that range that we need to. The best entry possible. If you want to wait and use your hard stop, absolutely fine. It's still going up. I will not enter that on that point. I will wait, okay? It's still a strong sell.
So the data's pointing to a sell, but the market's buying. So we don't enter those trades when the data and the market are conflicted. You wait until you get a red candle if you want to get into it.
As you can see, the power of patience. If you talk that on the top, you are in profit. If you use your hard stop, amazing. Now I'm moving my stop loss to break even and taking some profits.
Brilliant, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, Matthias, we've got a couple of minutes, so let's go and do the mindset stuff, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the mindset of a successful trader. What does a successful trader do? The one thing that a successful trader always does is maintains discipline. Never ever lose that. Every time I talk to traders that have lost money, it's because they took wild swings at the market. They started guessing the market. You don't need to guess the market. With the technology that we've got, it tells you whether it's a buy, sell, or a hold. So any of those things is possible. So you don't need to worry about that. The only thing you need to worry about is your mindset. So have a plan for your day, for your week, for your month. Okay? So the day plan is, what do I need today? How much money do I need to hit my target? Use percentages. So whether you're using on 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever your target is, once it's met, walk away. Do not increase your lot size all of a sudden because the market looks as if it's doing something, because those are the times when I've lost money. And those are the times that you will lose money. So decide in the morning what you want. So I was taught very, very early on in my career as an IFA, work out what your outcome is. So before you walk into a meeting, so when I hold any kind of business meeting whatsoever, I decide what it is that I want, whether that meeting is physical or it's on the phone or on a Zoom. So what is that? What's the outcome I'm looking for from this meeting? I visualize achieving that at the end. So when I sit down to trade in the morning, I decide and I visualize me achieving the goal that I want. For me, it's 2% or slightly above. Now, doing 5% is just as bad as doing 0% for me. Why? Because I know I lost my discipline. I know that I didn't close my trades when everything that I needed was achieved. Okay, so that is the mindset of a winning trader day in, day out. Discipline plus consistency, which is showing up, doing the same thing over and over, equals success. And you too will become a successful trader if you follow these tips. Thank you.
Thank you, Khan. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Good. Guys, these are all from experience, right? I don't read this nonsense in a book. This is what I'm doing. Yeah, this is what Matthias is doing. All successful traders, they do a version of this.
As you can see, if you're refreshing again, we are in the same situation. It's going up. It's a sell. What we need to do, wait for the best entry. Okay. And if it's still retracing, goes to surpass the stop loss, then you make the decision to use your hard stop.
I haven't traded a lot with you guys today, but I've got 5 successful trades. I'm in the 6th one now. I usually do about 10 to 12 trades a day. That's during if I'm working all day. I would have done that this morning and today, but we have contractors who are a little bit of a distraction, for want of a better word. And then if I've got other things to do, then I know I'm not going to be able to focus on trading, so I don't.
As you can see, if you enter on the top, you're going towards TP1. Really nice profits there.
So we've got about 40 minutes left together today. And we end Monday session. Very successful session. Yeah, no SLs today, Matthias?
Yes, indeed.
We did? Was it bad?
No, indeed. Nice sells.
Oh, okay, indeed. Okay.
Indeed. It's my accent.
Okay. It's all right.
But sometimes you can see straight away we waiting, and we wait for the right moment. And when you have one sell after another sell after another sell, easy to take TP5s, easy to keep holding and take more profits. And then you go for it with very strong conviction as well. It's amazing how the machine learning help you really to achieve that, get that consistency. It's just great. And as you can see, another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh. That went straight away nearby TP1 from that top. If you already took your profits, you're doing the right thing. And moving your stop loss to break even is the way to protect your capital. Capital preservation and take profits.
The market has, so that might be the bottom. There's your doji candle. So when one reverses, so that could be that. Maybe we've finished on the downside today, so be careful. So big selling last hour. It's a buying hour. So be careful. All it is, all the time. Yeah, enter. Place your entry without hesitation. Place your stop loss. Yeah, you don't have to worry too much about the TPs because when they come, you can take them. So it's coming down. There we go.
Okay, that's TP1 officially now. And if you're refreshing, you know what you need to do. It's still a sell. Okay, TP1 on the new one, TP2 on the previous one.
Beautiful.
One after another one.
See, just when you think the market's turned, it's going to start buying. Look what happens. The machine knows much better than we do. It's incredible.
TP2, TP3. TP3 and TP2 is straight away. and
Beautiful.
it's going, and it's still going, giving more. And price is retracing, as you can see. Taking my TPs and moving my stop loss to break even.
Hope you're enjoying the trading this afternoon. Hope you made some money. Profitable trading is what we're after. So another hour is selling. It was buying earlier.
As you can
So New
see,
York
price
is
is,
definitely selling.
price is retracing. If you didn't book your profits, you leave the opportunity there. And sometimes you don't have that opportunity back. That's why it's important to take those profits.
Take the money and run.
Another 2 minutes, we'll be able to refresh and go again. Nice TPs there, TP3s, TP2s. That was nearly TP3 and TP4. Nearly TP3 and TP4 on that one. And the previous one. And let's see if he's coming back now. He's come back. He's still there. He's not at my break even yet. Another 1 minute, we'll be able to go again. At least the first half an hour of that 2 o'clock, 2:30 will be now. Let's see. That's last 5 minutes to finish that first. Half an hour after 2.
Yeah, reversing back, I think.
Yeah. If you're still there, great. Time to book more profits, or let's see if we can break that point and it's still dropping. But I think so on that hour will be a buy at some point. We never know.
Definitely. Yeah.
But if you were still selling, let's keep selling and book those profits. 3, 2, let's prepare ourselves. Machine learning there.
25. Let's go.
Yeah.
Selling. Still selling
Still selling.
strongly.
Yeah.
79% probability.
As you can see, TP1 already. TP1 already. And if you're still breaking those points, you'll be able to book more profits. TP4, TP5s on the previous one. But for now, TP1 on that one, let's update only that. Don't confuse yourself, but there's plenty of TPs there.
Yeah. And take your money.
Yeah.
Don't wait to be asked. Just take it. Don't need an invitation. It's your profit. Take it.
As you can see, that range to TP1 is coming back. He's still holding the previous one, that is TP4, TP3, TP4.
Excuse me for 2 minutes, Matthias.
Yeah. Okay guys, let's get ready to refresh. As you can see the power of it, we can refresh again, and it's still on that range between TP1 and TP2. Let's see if we can get TP2 on that one. And if he's still holding the previous one, that will be TP4s and 5s. So if you booked that, that is TP2 and it's coming back. That's TP4 and 5 on the previous trading. If you keep holding, you'll be able to see that and book more profits. TP2 on that one already. TP3 now is going towards TP3. Plenty of TPs, guys. If you're still holding the previous one, you are in a very good profit. If you are on that one, the last one, you are at TP3 already. TP3, let's get ready to refresh. Let's see if the sell is still strong. You know what you need to do. TP3 on that one. Already on your pocket. If you're doing the right thing, you're taking the profits and you're moving your stop loss to break even. And we'll be able to go again. It's still a sell. It's still a sell. It's still a strong sell. Entry point perfect on that one. Very nice entry point and very nice TP1. Very nice entry points and very nice TP1, guys. Still dropping. Red candle, strong sell. Don't overthink. I press the button and take my profits. Nice TP1, nice entry point. Straight away to profits. Cannot get better than that. strong sell since we start the hour, and I really hope you're doing the right thing, taking those profits, moving stop loss to break even. We can guide you, but I cannot do anything for you. You need to do by yourself. I'm just telling you how I'm doing my trades. I enter without hesitation. If I can see the trading card strong, then I will take some profits and move my stop loss to break even. That's the way I'm doing, and that's the way we are updating here, just for you to have your overview. And of course, if you can do the same thing, that will be amazing for you, because you'll be booking profits after profits. I don't think so we have any stop loss today. We have been using hard stop for sure, but we didn't reach any hard stop as well, because we protect ourselves. Even on the hard stop, we do the same strategy. As soon as you place your trade on the top of the range, take some profits, we always moving the stop loss to break even. Capital preservation. It's still dropping. That is dropping towards TP2. If the price retraces to your break even, it's okay. Don't have the FOMO to keep pressing the button and getting back in. If you took your profits already, be grateful, and that's it. Okay, we'll be able to refresh again and go again. If you're still there, you're going towards TP2. But for now, I'm happy with my TP1 and my stop loss at break even. And less than 1 minute, we'll be able to go again. Get ready for that. Having your trading view is very important, and have your machine learning ready to refresh in front of you is very important as well. Okay, let's get ready for refreshing again. Another 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. We'll be able to go again. Okay, the sell is still strong. As you can see, the sell is still strong. It's retracing, wait for that entry point. As you can see, green candle is still a strong sell. It's a green candle. I'm waiting for that best entry. If it's still going up, I will use my hard stop. If it's still going up, I will use my hard stop. Yep. Getting now, I'm using my hard stop. If that retraces all the way back, I'm out of my hard stop on that one. That's a very good entry. That means I'm protecting my capital. 15 pips. 15 pips. Hard stop. First stop loss on the day, guys. That went straight away to my hard stop. That means I'm protecting my capital, because that can go all the way back again with changing the direction. If you go on the 1 hour, as you can see, it's retracing all the big wick is leaving on the hour. It's retracing all that hour. The sell was strong, and I just wait for that retracement and went to my hard stop. Because I was waiting patiently, 15 pips on that one. It's not compare what I have done on the day. Stop loss is to protect yourself and to give you direction. Okay, we need to learn how to take those stop loss as well, because that is part of the game, and that's why we put that protection there. Let's see if it will be a change of direction or if it's only a retracement. We'll be able to see that on the next candle. Okay, on the next 5-minute candle, we'll be able to see that. I still think it's a sell. It's a good entry point, but I'm not refreshing now. I cannot say exactly. My opinion is a good entry point for a sell. That's because I went to my hard stop already. I will be waiting for the next minute and a half. I'll be able to go again. Let's see if we can see that drop now. I'm out already. I'm not placing again. I'm just waiting for the next 5 minutes to refresh. Okay, another 1 minute we'll be able to do that. And I still want to see if it's a strong sell like before. Okay, less than 20 seconds now. Get ready with your machine learning, guys. You go for it to see if it's still strong the sell or if it's changing direction. My point of view is still strong the sell. If it's a green candle, we wait.
How are we doing, Matthias?
Let's go for it. Great. We had our first stop loss on the day.
Yeah, when the market turns, you got to be careful.
As you can see now, it's still retracing. What we need to do, wait. Okay, we don't go straight away. The sell is still strong, but we don't want to get caught on that if it's changing direction.
It's the only time the system gets caught out, because it can be a fake breakout either way.
As you can see, the price went up. If you patient, you be waiting for that best entry. If you enter on that best entry, you need to put your stop loss. If you're still waiting for that retracement, then you'll be able to if it's still going up, you'll be able to use your hard stop. The two ways we can do that, okay? If it's dropping now, it's dropping, you can do what I'm doing now, TP1 already, moving my stop loss to break even. It's going towards CP2 now. It's going towards CP2. Okay, that's CP2, guys. CP2. The sell was still strong as we refresh, and we saw that on the previous trading card. And that is CP2 is going towards CP3 now.
Terrific trading today. Yeah. Again. It's such a tight ranging market, really.
It is, yeah. As you can see, went straight away towards TP3, nearly TP3, and is coming back now. That's why it's important when you have the profits there, you take it. Now your stop loss should be at break even. You're not at risk on that trade anymore. It's going up. Really ranging market.
Yeah.
Right now, let's wait. Less than 1 minute, we'll be able to generating a new trading card.
So it's retraced all the way back from here, that sell. So whether it comes back again, we don't know. But that's what it's done.
Let's get ready. Time to refresh again.
Beautiful.
He's still selling. Okay, TP1. TP1, guys.
Brilliant. Brilliant work. And it goes back again. See, grab it when it's there.
Yeah, it's straight away. Went straight away to TP1, nearly TP2, and it's coming back now. One or two entries is enough for you to keep booking those profits. And if you are a beginner on that, one entry will be perfect.
Thing is, your fortunes can soon change. The market can turn like this. That could go all the way up to 42.20, 42.30 now. It may have done the bottom.
Yeah. That's why it's important to take those profits and moving your stop loss at break even as soon as you can.
Yeah, the stop loss is not negotiable, guys.
No.
Simply not negotiable. Do not play with... You're playing with fire. So if you're continuing to trade after we finish at 3 o'clock, be careful. Don't break the rules just because we're not around.
Okay, as you can see, price is retracing strong. That's the importance of break even. As soon as you're in profit, taking the profit and move your stop loss to break even. That can be a change of direction.
Yeah, look at that. Out, gone from a completely red hour down here to green up there.
It's strong green. Yeah.
Yeah, in minutes.
Let's be able to see those things and taking the profits when you have the profits and moving your stop loss to break even. Don't wait for stop loss or don't wait for hard stop. If you have profits, don't wait for it. Little and often. Keep booking those profits.
Yeah.
42
you
again.
Need permission to take money off the table. Back to 4,200.
Yeah, that can go straight away. If we break strong 4,200, it can go again up 42.10, 42.20.
Easy.
But let's see if machine learning is thinking like us now. If the market is going up, we had plenty of TPs on the sells. If it's changing direction, now will be time to take TPs on the buys. That is the main thing.
We don't care whether we're buying or selling.
Yeah.
When I meet people in public, they're like, "Oh, gold it's doing so well, or it's growing, or it's gone down." Us, we don't care. We make money whether it goes up or down.
Yeah. As you can see, it's changing direction. If you refreshed on the 5 minutes, is a buy now.
Yeah.
You have the range. And if you already press the button, make sure you have your stop loss. And make sure you're booking your profits. I'm taking my profits now and moving my stop loss to break even. That's TP1 already. It's going towards TP2, TP1 already.
So in the 5 minutes, gives you a better view, I think. Could be heading for this range here. 06, 07, 8, 10 maybe. TP5 for me is 42.10.
Price is retraced. As you can see, we went for TP1. We keep telling the importance of taking those profits and protect your capital. And we keep reminding you, because then you can get that mechanical approach, and you keep doing that over and over and over.
Wonderful way to trade, to have the latest technology helping you to work out which direction the market's going in, working out where to place your trades, where to take your TPs, where the market's going. It's wonderful.
You should be out at your break even now, and your TP is already on your pocket. And
2
then
minutes,
we'll be able to refresh again in 2 minutes. Yeah.
which will be the last one we will be doing with you this afternoon before we sign up at 3 o'clock. If you're here for the first time, if you could like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, really appreciate it. Need some help, reach out to Mateus or myself. We both work together. So if you reach out to one of us, you'll get the other one as well for free. We'll come as a double act. But we'll help you. We'll get you set up. We'll get you going. We'll introduce you to the system and anything else that we can help you with. So the buy is doing nicely. TP1 close to 2 now.
It depends where you enter. If you're still on the trades, you're going to TP2. If you came back and you book your profits, came back to your entry point, it's okay. You are out at B, you're not at risk. And refreshing again.
That's the last one we're going to do with you, as I was saying.
Yeah.
For a few seconds. I'm still at 54.
It's still a buy.
Yeah. Get stronger now.
Yeah.
TP5 is at 42.16, which will be only 40 pips off the all-day high today. So it's looking to break that.
Okay, it's going towards TP1. Let's see if it goes straight away or retraces.
Yeah, that was at 2 a.m. this morning. 42.20.
Yeah.
Into, I think, about 15. Yeah, 14.15. Not quite got there. Took a couple of buys. One at 41.99, the other one at 41.94. Nice profit now.
Let's see if he's still pushing up. We can get that TP1.
TP1 for me was at 40 pips, as in from the best entry.
Yeah. Sometimes you have that. You still have different ranges. That is
Of
the
course.
best thing on machine learning as well. You don't. Sometimes you only have 10 pips and you are on TP1 already. But sometimes you have that gap on the range.
Well, it works out, doesn't it? How tight the
Yeah.
market is.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can get the pips because it thinks the market's going to move, and other times think, you know what, 10 pips, TP1, thanks very much. It's an adaptive system. It's a learning system. It doesn't just sit around doing nothing. And they call it a ladder frame. So normally when you get a signal that says TP1, TP2, they're just 20 pips apart. Yeah. They don't really know what's going on. It's like a ladder.
Yeah.
Step up, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. This one doesn't work like that at all.
As you can
The
see here
ravine-
is retracing. It's
Difference
still
between
red.
TP1 and TP2 for me is 10 pips. Between TP2 and TP3 is 20 pips. TP3 and TP4 is 30 pips. And then TP4, TP5 is 30 pips again. It's an intelligent system.
Dropping. If you didn't enter because it's a red candle, you did the right thing and it's just dropping now.
So I want to thank you all. Got a couple of minutes. Mateus, anything you want to add today? How was your session? What do you find it?
Great, great. We had plenty of opportunities on the sell before.
Yeah, loads.
TPs after TPs, and it's just great to see that.
Mm.
It's just great to see that. And now sometimes you struggle, is retracing now, but it's red candle. What you need to do, wait. You don't go straight away. Okay?
No.
The buy was strong, you got some positions there, but then if it's retracing, you just wait. And if you get to do that all the time, mechanical approach, you'll be absolutely fine. But yeah, it was a pretty good session. Starting the week strong. That's the main goal.
Yeah, absolutely. I really enjoyed that. So we'll see you here at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Open the London session. Hope you have a successful trading afternoon or whatever else you're doing. So we're here from 8 till 10 tomorrow morning, and then 1 till 3 again in the afternoon for this session. So we do 2 of these a day. And thank you for joining us. And we are done. That's a wrap. Hope you're in profit. Okay,
Thank you very
Mateus.
much.
Thank you so much.
See you
Absolutely
tomorrow
brilliant.
morning. Bye.
See you
Bye for
tomorrow
now.
morning.